What up, peeps? What up? Let's get ready. Let's go. Internet a move shaky, so we probably rush through the paper here free a while. Right, I give the peeps a minute to start. Everybody join the live. Yeah. Don't know the thing said. This paper is the 29th January. Hope it's not my last paper. Definitely enjoy doing them. I'm someone who care about people a lot. So I'll be doing a live class on the night before exam, which I think is tomorrow night, Monday night. Well, probably seeing this Monday. So tonight I'll be doing a live, as long as internet hold up and all of that. So this is the January 2019 paper. I am Lennox Bennett, and everyone here is appreciated. So let's go. All right. So which of the following sequences show an increase in computer memory capacity? So it's supposed to show an increase. So it's from the smallest to the largest. So it is all right. So it's from megabyte to gigabyte to terabyte, and that was done on the 2020 paper. So we can just scope right into it. Which of the following operation display result? Is it input, output, storage, or processing? Now, as it suggests, it display result, right? So put in the input and the output are the result. So this is the result. Which of the following statement is true about the arithmetic and the logic unit, or the ALU? It stores data permanently. That's a section of the CPU. Which of the following types of drive has the slowest transfer rate? Is it flash drive, hard disk, DVD disk, or floppy disk? As usual, guys, please like the video, comment. Your opinion is valued right here. So we need to appreciate everyone. So is it flash drive, hard disk, DVD, and of course, it's as the name suggests, it flop. So it's a floppy disk. Flop disk. All right. Just like some ball. All right. Which of the following is an example of the type of data that visually record meetings? Is it text, video, audio, or graphics? And we're going to go with video. Let's go on to number 6 rather. And I want you guys to try this one. Number 6, item refers to the following diagram, which shows the basic operation of a general purpose computer system. And they give us W to dot, X, Y, and Z. Let's see the question now. Number 6 says, which of the following function is carried out in the box C? Is it input, output, storage, or processing? And as you can imagine, it is, see it stored here, and then so it's storage. Let's go to number 7. Which part of the central processing unit or the CPU coordinates its activities? Is it the register? Is it the control unit? Is it the main memory, or is it the arithmetic logic unit? Arithmetic and logic unit. And that is the drum roll. The control unit. So if you had that, you get 5 marks. So let's go, guys. Let's go. All right. Number 8 says, Which of the following is a hardware user interface? Is it the GUI, the icon, the sensor, or the touch screen? And that is user interface. Think about user, right? That would be the touch screen. Let's go to number 9. Which of the following chips can be erased and reprogrammed repeatedly? Is it the RAM, or is it the ROM, or is it the PROM, or is it the EPROM? And that, as it suggests, erasable. So it's erasable. Remember, somebody gave me some erasable DVDs. Those were fun. All right, so number 9 is D. Let's go to number 10. You're on a roll, peeps. You're on a roll. Oh, shoot. I forget this was, this is people are kind of messed up. I don't like it. It's double jump, but I'm gonna do what I have to do. All right, so on to number 10. Which of the following devices can be used for both input and output device? Is it A, touch screen? Is it B, barcode reader? Or is it C, flatbed scanner? Or is it D, document reader? And the answer goes to, this was on the 2020 paper. So there we have it. Input and output, the touch screen. A lot of marks is going to the touch screen today. Make up all the chilling and the big up people who have some chicken curry today for their dinner, stuff like that, you know what I mean? I hope everybody all right. Big up everybody for joining me, Stephanie. Yeah, people, my friend from Trinidad said big up, all right? Yeah. All right, let's move on to number 11. Telecommuting means using information and communication technology at home too. Is it A, to hold conferences, B, to sell and buy products, C, send and receive emails, or is it D, work away from the office? I want to spooky your people. Telecommunicating means using information and communication technology at home. A, hold conferences, B, sell products, C, send emails, D, work away from the office. I want to kind of spooky them. Like that. All right, peeps. So we're gonna go with send and receive emails. When I feel spooky, I'm gonna go with that one. All right. Number 12. What is the function of a network of computers? Is it A, to organize data among computers, B, receive data from one computer, C, enables 2 or more computers to communicate, or D, allow users to obtain data from a central computer? So we're gonna go with C, it enables 2 or more computers to communicate. That's the whole thing of network, all right? We need to network, you know, peeps. We're not enemies, so it's network, all right? Thanks for sharing, guys. Thanks for liking the video. So I appreciate all of you. Number 13 says, the activity which involves conducting a meeting electronically with participants in different geographical location is called, is it teleworking, telemarketing, teleprocessing, or teleconferencing? So they are in different location and they are meeting, so it's teleconferencing. So 13 is D. Let's move to 14. So it says refers to the final following diagram. diagram above represents, is it a button, a window, a pop-down menu, or a pull-down menu? So it's not a button, it's not a window, it's a more pop-down menu. So it's C. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. All right, 15. The illegal copying and selling of program is referred to as, is it propaganda? B, is it software piracy? C, is it computer fraud? Or is it D, industrial espionage? And that is, because it's programs, it will be software piracy. Really liking this speaker so far? Well, let me change the audio thing down, do it down there. All right, so 16 says, before purchasing a computer, Jane was given a sheet with the following hardware specification: Intel 4, 64-bit, 3.6 GHz, 2 GB, 5G 3 MHz, SD RAM, 160 gram, SAT, HDD, and 7002 RMP. The word size of the computer is, this one was on the 2020 paper also, and that is B, 64 bits. All right, so hold on. Hold the killer on the other line. The page is something kind of spooky, you know, guys. So just be patient with me. Go all the way and then go down. Go. Big up Spice. All right. Number 17 says, the part of a private network which uses internet technology and public telecommunications can be accessed by business suppliers, vendors, customers, and partners is called an, let's hear it. Is it an intranet? B, is it internet? C, is it extranet? Or D, is it internet? And it is, it's a public, right? So it's extranet. Number 18. Which device is essential for a computer control system to function with precision and assembly line? Is it A, sensor, B, camera, is it B, C, speaker, or is it D, microphone? So number 18 is A, sensor. Number 19, let's give you the options, guys, because I want you guys to continue. I'm going a bit fast here. All right. Number 19, what is the decimal equivalent for the binary 101? Don't need to guess this one, guys. Let's go. Let me show you this. Like them sit here like on like maths. Not coming like it is maths. Maths is everything. Right? So this will be 2 to the 0. As it's base 2, right? This is 2 to the 1. And this is 2 to the 2. Now, any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So you have a time to by this. So after we get the 1 here, so it will be 1 plus this. Now, anything times 0 is 0, so we can cross out this. 1 with 0 is irrelevant. And this now, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. So it is indeed number 19 is C. All right, let's go on to 20 now, and then we go up at it. No, not yet. All right, okay, don't say you can see all of it. All right, a circuit which is provided in a computer to allow for additional component is known as, is it A, firewire, is it B, system bus, is it C, an expansion slot, or is it D, an expansion card? So it's allow for additional, right? So you can add things to it. So it is a slot. So number 20 would be C. All right, 21. Which of the following is the decimal representation of the decimal 300? So we just divide by 16. 16, 30, or 1. So it can only be this, right? Because I look at so I got for 14. So 4. So 18. Remainder 12. Yeah. It's this. All right. Let's move on to 22. Which of the following types of hardware is more suitable for printing building plan? Is it A, plotter, B, laser, is it C, dot matrix printer, or is it D, thermal transfer printer? So that is indeed a plotter. You got yourself plotter, set plotter. All right, so we're going on nicely. Can continue at the same part. Which of the following types of technology is commonly used by banks to read data and checks? And we did that one. Which paper we did that one? I think it was the 2020, and that is the MICR. 24. CAD or CAD is mainly used by, is it engineers, or is it musicians, or is it medical personnel, or mass media personnel? Engineers, right? So that's it. All right, let's go on to 25. We almost reached halfway, guys. Records and magnetic tapes. Records and magnetic tape are stored. Is it A, indexed sequentially, B, sequentially, randomly, or is it directly? So it's magnetic tape, and that would be sequentially. All right. So 25 is B. Records and magnetic tape are stored in a sequential way, or sequentially. All right. 26 says, which of the following devices uses a duplex communication mode? Is it A, AV monitor? Is it B, walkie-talkie? Or is it C, a telephone? Or is it D, a radio? So it is something you guys love very much. And it's telephone. You can talk and listen at the same time. I mean, telephone is so advanced now. You can multitask with so many things. All right, so let's go up to 27 now. So I'll go up to 27. All right. '27 refers to the following types of memory: RAM, or the EPROM, and that's erasable programmable. All right. So which of the above types of memory are non-volatile? Is it A, 1 and 2 only, or is it B, 1 and 3 only, or is it C, 2 and 3 only, or is it all three? What go on, sir? What's going on, Mr. Benny? I am moving. So I know that the RAM and 3. All right, so it will be C. 28 now. Let's go. Which of the following transmission meter uses fiber optic? Is it A, cable, B, Wi-Fi, C, satellite, or is it Bluetooth? Type in the answer, guys. Why don't you not communicate? Oh, if you're just joining, welcome. Mr. Bennett, happy to have you here. And when you say fiber optic, you know it's a cable, right? None of them here use no farmer so that was a giveaway. But that's okay, that's okay. More marks for you guys. 29 says to get to a record number 50 from the beginning of a tape of 100 records, you would have to convert to this. I wish we could go directly to record 50. First, read records 1 through to 49. Or D, fast forward record 100 and then read backward. Kind of nonsense. We can't check in that one. The answer them just looks spooky. Alright, so it's a convert to this. You can, it's not that this. Go directly to the record 50. So read a number 50. From the beginnings of tape of 100 records, you have to. One here looks spooky, you know. So let me look at it. As it's a tape. It's a tape. Tape going in a sequential way. So you have to go from one. Let me just check something. I don't like this one, you know. This one look away. This one look away, man. Guys, me now go with this. Leave this in the comment section. But if you saw this, that make more sense to me. Guys, it's a tape. So it going in a sequential way. So you have to read the first something there. But I wonder if it's a say to get to record number 50 from the beginning of a tape. Of course it's a tape. So I'm gonna go with C now, please. Alright, 30 now. Just like a cassette. If you want, you can wait for a fast forward and then anyway. Which of the following types of connection provide the slowest internet access? Is it A, dial-up, T1 line, or is it network, or is it digital subscriber line? It is DSL. Everybody if you know DSL, because guess what? A bit of them yard. DSL upon the internet, right? Router. So what's the answer for 30? Type in that for me, guys. Dial-up. Alright, so that would be dial-up. So let us proceed. We have reached halfway, guys. Congratulations. And thank you. Please stay for the end. Very interesting question coming up. 31 says, which of the what will be displayed when the following algorithm is executed? Y equal 5, x is equal to y. So basically, they must say x is equal to y. So that never want to write out this, So y of 5 and x equal 5. So that means the x of 5. So let's proceed. Let's see if we can see if it make any sense to it. So if y equal 5 and x equal y, that means both of them are 5. So x equal 5. Sorry about that, guys. I'm gone so far. Alright, here I am. Alright, and let me say, and z y equal 10. So that's actually z equal to that. The answer. Oh, and then I did as the third. Yeah. So guys, it's D. Alright. 32 now. The most appropriate data type for storing the amount of interest earned on a sum of money is it real, char, string, or integer? Always real. Keep it real, peeps. Keep it real. So it's real. Which Pascal format is used to declare an array? Is it A, let marks equal that, array equal marks that, bar marks array that, dim, that. What's the answer for 33? You guys go ahead and type that in. So array, so it will be C. I'm not well, guys. If you hear me, I'm really tired, but you know the work have to go on. All right. John has written a program to accept student fees. Some students are exempted from paying fees, while other students pay fees from $1 to $50. Which of the following values may be used to test the program? 2, 10, and 42. From 1 to 50. Okay, everybody from 1 to 50. So it will be all three, right? It's a range of numbers, but it's ranging from 1 to 50. Oh god. 35 now. Now I have to probably go over here. So just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Just to all got the people. What the hell is that? Don't see the number. Alright, 35. What does the symbol mean represent in the information technology? Is it start stop? Is it decision? Is it process? Or is it input? Everyone should know this, right? This is pretty straightforward. This is time to make the decision, guys. Time to make the decision. What's the answer? All right. If the decision is decision, you are indeed correct. A programmer, wait, let me just so everybody can see that. A programmer writes a number the following two code. We accept the three numbers from the user and can display their average. So step 1 start, step 2 read N1, N2, step 3 write average, step 4 So basically, it's gonna say what is step 3. We know how to find average, don't it? Add up all the numbers and divide them by what? So what's important, guys? So we add up all 3 numbers and divide them by 3. So this would be step 3. Alright, so 36. Let me just check something. Focus on 37. Yeah, 37. Alright. Which of the following is considered a component of a user manual? Is it A, trace table? Is it B, source code? Is it C, installation steps? Or is it C, program flowchart? And it is indeed C, installation steps. So 37 is C. Let's go down to 38. You're almost there, guys. You're almost there. Oh, cross it again or something. No. Right. 38, 39. Yeah. Alright. So let's go up to 38. So 38 to 39 refers to the following fragment of a Pascal code for x is equal to 20, 15, do, begin, right, How many times will the program above be executed? Is it 2 times? Is it 14 times? Is it 15 times? Is it 16 times? What's the answer, guys? Type in the answer for that one. So 38, we're at 38. And it is 14 to the 50, right? All right. 39. Which fragment code would be correct? Would be the correct option to output and prompt and enter the name of country of 2 lines. Country on 2 lines. Read, enter name of country, write enter name of country, read country, read line. Yeah, the RED something, right line. Should be activity because the right line means you go down to the next line. Alright, so none of these tell it to go down. Go down, so it should be D. Alright, let us go back up and see if we can get 40. Cross here, so 40. What's happening? What the hell, boy? Where is 40? 40, don't be naughty. You're going to a party. Alright, so here 40 is assigning P to grade means that the grade should be declared as, is it A, real, B, char, C, string, D, integer. And the answer is B, char. Alright, 41. Which of the following statements is the declaration of an integer data type in a Pascal program? Is it var integer number, var integer equal number, var number integer, or is it var number integer? 41 is var number colon integer. People look all January people always when I'm up against January people. 1 year, this kind of gets 42 years so 42, 43. Oh, we are going down. Alright. Which of the following number is type real? Is it negative 37? Is it B 14.37? Is it C, 15? Is it D, 375? And real. Price is so real. So that is 14.375. The negative one could be an integer. All of them could be integer, because integer is a set of positive and negative numbers. So real of the decimal and the continuous. All right, 43. The decision box of a program flowchart shows: is it A, link to another page? B, test to be carried out? Is it C, calculation to be done? D, is it input and output operators? And B is test to be carried out. Oh no. So spooky. All right, on to 44. Going on fine so far. Hope you guys liking up the video, you know. 44. Which of the following generation of what? Into which of the following generation is the machine language categorized? Is it first, second, third, or fourth? First. Dear nurse, me no say you are cursed, because me did I tell you say you come first. See then how the secret burst, but think me, cause things could be worse. Alright, so 45 now. It says program testing can be described as 1. Checking all documentation into the program. 2. Executing the program manually with input values to see results. 3. Running the program using sample data to identify the errors in the program. One thing I'm sure about, this must be included. So, to say, executing the program manually with input values to see the result. So, two included. And that's spooky, you know. Program testing can be described as. Type the answer, guys. So I'll do this recording. But type the answer same way and give reason for your answer. I think it's C though. 1 and 2 and 1. 2 and 3 only. 46 now. Extracting information from a database can be achieved through the use of files, objects, queries, or is it reports? No, not queries. So that would be queries. 46 is C. So 46, I can go up the top. 47. A single row of data in a database is called a record. Is it table? Is it field? Is it file? That is a record. All right, Sanjay? All right. So 48, what is the correct order of the step used to change the font of text on a slide? Is it 1, select style, or the order? Jesus. All right, so the order them on. Select the text, select the slide you want to change, select a font you want to use. On the formatting toolbar, click the arrow next to the font block. Visualize this, you know, guys. Visualize which is first. You have to select it first. You know? All right. So which one of them have? Two of them have two. All right. So far between B and C, two of them have two. Next, select the text. All right. Both of them have that. To investigate this now, 3 says select the font you want to use, and the next one says on the font bar, click the arrow next to the font bar. So the 4 come first. So 48 is C. It's between B and C, so B1. Right? C1 rather, not. All right, so we're at 49, and 49 refer to the following spreadsheet. And here some blah blah blah. Add the values of 17, 35, 45, and 39 in the spreadsheet above. Which function should be placed in B6? All right, so B6. So sum from B2, yeah, this from B2 to B5. Guys, make sure you identify them, you know, from B to B5. Sum B2 to B5 here. So 49 is A. I'm smart but add. Now the best in a C set. Look for yourself. But you know, guys, you know, say we done the paper. We share it with your friends, alright? Paper look real difficult. Alright. Which of the following is used for executing HTML code? A parser, A browser, C an assembler, or D an interpreter. Which is it? HMT. Yeah, browser. So it is B, the browser. Browse along. Let's browse along, guys. Browse along. Browse along. So we're on to 51. Guys, I'm still sick, but I have to push you my best. So I really want you guys to be your best on it. I want you guys to expose to as many questions, multiple choice as possible. I hope you guys reading up your paper too and stuff, you know. I'm not gonna get the chance to go, but I'm gonna try and do the conversion of binary and so forth, and the addition and subtraction of binary from base 2 and hexamal and so forth. But if hexamal it means just me say hexadecimal. Yeah. All right. So 50. Oh, 50. Oh, we are at 51 now. All right. At what stage of a presentation will the above slide appear as the default? Just go back up. Okay. Is it the first page? Is it the second page? Or is it the third page? No. A. So it's A. A, guys. Let me put the first in there. That's what people are saying. Then alpha B. So 51 is A. Oh, when I read it, you'll see it. 52. A slideshow can be immediately stopped by, is it A, left clicking? Is it right, by right clicking, pressing the F5 key, or pressing the escape key? Right clicker, left clicker, all right, so that would be B. 53 now. What type of cell addressing must be used to keep the cell address in a formula same when it is copied to another cell? Is it A, fixed, B, direct, is it C, relative, or is it D, absolute? Absolute, guys, right? Absolutely. Makes sense. Love that word. I absolutely care about you guys. Alright, so let's move on to 54. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Alright, which of the following features allow the user to insert individual names in a primary document? Is it a footer, a header, mail merge, or is it search or replace? Which of the following features allow the user to insert individual names in a primary document? I want to create a letter, and then you have the list of names, and it automatically select names. So it's not the mail merge. That one is spooky, no man. Or is it search and replace? So search for a letter and replace it, all of it in the document. Which of the following features allow the user to insert individual names in a primary document? It's the individual one is spooky on people. Type in the answer, guys. Type in the answer. A mail merge, me go with you. Yeah. Mail merge, you type up the letter, one general letter, and you have the names, and it select all the individuals. So a mail merge, me go with you. All right. 55 now. Which of the following PowerPoint presentation icon represents slide sorter? Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Is it D? This, this. I'm gonna use it. All right. So let's go now. 56. We're almost there, guys. Thank you so much. If you haven't liked the videos yet, guys, you don't have to like it. All right. You don't have to like it. All right. 56 now. In order to perform a block operation in a word processing application, the required text must be cut, copied, aligned, or selected. So that is 56 in order to block. Highlight, you want to call block, So D. So it's 56. Go across. And this is the last part of the test. Which of the following types of software would be most appropriate for the showing information of tables and reports? Is it A, database? Is it B, spreadsheet? Is it C, presentation? Is it D, word processing? So 57, that is database. In what form is data stored in a database? Is it A, table? Is it B, chart? Is it C, string? Is it D? God, really simple. So 58 is A. 59, which of the following is normally used for website to website connection? It's a modem, monitor, hypertext, hyperlink. Remember now, website to website. Hyperlink. That was done earlier. And the final one, which of the following activity is least likely to require a PowerPoint presentation? Is it A, data collection, B, public speaking, C, lecture delivery, or is it D, sales of marketing idea presentation? So it is A, and we are finished. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys live. All right, so be there.